Hello and welcome back to my channel. We'll say hello lunch. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming around. Thanks for coming to watch our videos. Guys, will not take for granted. God bless you guys. If you're just coming across any of my videos for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, please do join us today. Okay, hit the subscribe button, then turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them in the channel. And I say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always coming back to watch our videos. Guys, will not take it for granted. We love you guys, we appreciate you. Thanks for the engagement, and please guys, keep supporting us. Okay, keep watching our videos, and please always remember to share to your loved ones so they can be part of this channel. Thank you so much, my ladies. So guys, today's video is what I said from so I quickly selected most elegant and trending acrylic nail designs for my ladies. Here we have lots and lots of stunning designs that will definitely elevate you. Okay, so just watch it from beginning to the end. Do not miss any slide. They are so beautiful. You can't resist these. So just watch to the end so it's gonna inspire your next manicure. Actually, cases to actually what you want. Also feel free to go into our channel for our varieties. Okay, we have lots and lots of beautiful designs that will definitely blow your mind. So as you watch, please support the channel by giving the video a thumbs up and share to your loved ones. See you guys in our next video. Bye. Thank you so much.